Go.
Hello guys, we're going to talk about Facebook. Not just a simple Facebook, but Facebook. We're going to talk about its history. What is Facebook? Facebook is a social networking site, which means network and social. It is a site. Facebook was created by Mark Zuckerberg. But wait, don't know his name, Eduardo Sabrin. Eduardo Sabrin is his college who created Facebook. And Facebook is official only on Harvard University at that time. And later on, it spread much to Boston and much more to university, which is to acquire Facebook, you need to have the age of 13 and above with a valid email address. Facebook is created on February 4, 2004. But here's one fact about that. Facebook is not originally Facebook itself, but it has its grandfather, Page. FaceMash is created much earlier than Facebook, which is, as I meant, grandfather. Facebook, FaceMash, it has this two little choices, which is hot or not. They put the pictures together side by side and vote whether it is hot or whether it is not. It's both not. Later on, after FaceMash, which is after FaceMash, which is sold or auction October 25, 2010, then Zuckerberg has to make another plan for his very own ideas of the Facebook. There's no dot here. It's just a simple Facebook right now. But then, Facebook guns globally until new features is created, which is like, share, comment, and react.
Go.
Good day everyone. My report is all about Facebook. Facebook is a kind of social app that we use for every day. It is a basic and common app and it is easily to download in all apps in Play Store and etc. And it's for free without payment. And Facebook is all we need to communicate for our loved ones, our friends, and we can share our thoughts, ideas by Facebook, and we can react. As he said, we can react by using emojis or emoticons on Facebook. And Facebook is the most important kind of app that usually people use. And that's all.
Go.
My report is all about 900 plus million active users. The number of Facebook users in the Philippines, just be elsewhere or abroad. This is the way conversation so much as is creating use Facebook in different place. Mas talong dumadami ang gumagamit ng Facebook sa iba't ibang lugar, paraan upang magkaroon tayo ng communication sa mga kaibigan, pamilya, o important people in the other life.
Go.
Advantage ng sa Facebook, pwede ka makapag-share ng problem mo, feelings, o kaya yung issue sa inyo sa pamamagitan ng Facebook chat. Kung meron kang Facebook account, mas updated ka sa mga issue ng ibang bansa. Example, sports, advertisement, movies, etc. Hi guys, my report is about the advantages of Facebook for us. There is three kinds of advantages of Facebook on my topic. That is CCS. What is that 3 CCS? That 3 CCS is can promote business, can play games, share photos and memories. Ang una ay promote business. Gamit ang Facebook, pwede natin i-promote ang mga produkto na ating binibenta online. At pwede tayo magbenta online din. In short, buy and sell. Sabay, ang pangalawa naman ay can play games. Pwede tayo maglaro ng kung ano-anong laro sa Facebook sa pamamagitan ng libre lang. Sa paglalaro sa Facebook, ito ay libre at walang bayad. At ang pangatlo ay ang share photos and memories. Gamit ang Facebook, pwede tayo magpahayag ng mga salubin natin at ang photos, memories natin. Sabay mayroon mga emojis or emoticons tayong ginagamit. Meron tayong like, happy, sad, at iba pa. At itong Facebook ay ang pinaka-importante. Guys, sa pag-ibig, mahalaga sa iyong tao, ito ay mahalaga.
Go.
Sharing of information. The Facebook allows us to share with others what you desire to share. As public opinion, ask questions, etc. You can share your pictures, videos, and what you have been up to with your friends in public. Mobile Facebook. Whatever you can do on Facebook, you can do from mobile phone Facebook app as on the go. So you can update status, comment, and do a lot of things. Can find all bodies. You can find all bodies using Facebook and contact them, message them, and call.
The advantage of using Facebook. Easy to communicate. Why? Because it's free. We don't need to pay anything because it is free. And there is a lot of emoticons on chat and we can use to totally feel comfortable using Facebook. When find for friends to get along to each other. When share feelings, thought and idea in just one post. And also, the most great things that Facebook helps us is we can easily know the latest news and we can easily be aware on what happens in certain cities, countries, or people. So, yun. Yun yung sa akin.
Ay.
Privacy. All we know na ang privacy is very important to us. Kaya ang Facebook ay gumawa siya ng data policy kung saan pwede mong i-edit dun yung mga privacy mo. Like, pag nag-share ka ng photos with Facebook, pwede mo siyang i-edit kung sino-sino na nga pwede makakita nito. At ang mga information at content mo sa Facebook, like address, at kung edad, kung saan ka nag-aral, pwede mo rin baguhin yun. Kaya we inform you na required na talaga na basahin ng data policy para makapag-maayos ng decision ka sa mga gagawin mong privacy dun sa Facebook account.
Okay. Yung sa akin naman, about sa policy. Privacy policy. Yung data policy, ito yung yung policy na nag-describe kung ano yung information na dinelect ng Facebook at tsaka yung mga ginamit at yung mga sinishare. Yung mga nakapaloob doon, yung kagaya ng what kinds of information do we collect. Depending on which service you use, we collect different kinds of information from or about you. Number 2, how do we use this information? We are passionate about creating engaging and customized experience for people. We use all of the information we have to help us provide and support our service. 3. How is this information shared? People use our service to correct and share with others. We make this possible by sharing your information. Number 4. How I can manage or delete information about me. You can manage the content and information you share when use Facebook through the activity log tool. 5. How our global service operate. Facebook may share information internally within our family or companions. That's all.
3, go!
Privacy and policies. First ako sa aking, okay. Ang aking, napaka-delikado yan, lalo na pagdating sa privacy. Oras na napasok yan ng hacker yung privacy nyo, pwedeng matuntun yung, yung mga private nyo. Kanya, example, kung sinave nyo yung credit card nyo sa Facebook, pwede nila itong manakaw. Pati yung mga lugar nyo, yung address nyo, pati yung IP address nyo, pwede nila ma-detect. Pwes na may balak sila sa iyo na masama. Okay, tapos yung about sa pwede ka rin nilang gamitin yon pang-blackmail o pang-poser. And that's all.
Go!
Malicious photos. Ito po yung nakikita natin na sinishare ng netizens. Tapos nakikita ng mga kabataan kapag wala silang magawa. Na nakikita nila doon mga ubad na larawan na hindi ka nais-nais. Sabay, may virus din yun na kusang nagsishare ng mga link sa mga friends mo. Sabay, may message siya sa malapit na kamag-anak mo tulad ng mga tatay at nanay mo. Makikita yun, tas pwede ka mayari.
Yung sa akin, disadvantage ng Facebook. Sa disadvantage ng Facebook, nandito yung hacking. Hacking are one of most disadvantage on Facebook. Because some people using Facebook para na manira ng kapwa. Example nito, ako, kunyari, gagawa ko ng fake account tapos, pag gawa ko ng fake account na Facebook, pwede ko yung gamitin para ng ibang tao, para mag-block. And another advantage on Facebook is some of black hat, or also known as hacker, using this social media to Facebook, magsisend sila ng parang link sa'yo, tapos para sasabihin nila sa'yo na pag-login ka dito, utusan ganun. Tapos yun yung disadvantage sa Facebook, mga hacker.
Go!
Payment, yung sa akin, payment terms. Ito yung online shopping or business. Kunyari, bibili kayo dito ng gamit na t-shirt at sapatos. Pipindutin nyo yung pinakalagay itong payment terms. Pipindutin nyo yun para safe yung, magbabayad kayo dun. Pipindutin nyo yun para safe yung gamit makapunta sa inyo para hindi kayo may scam. At yun lang.